Here's a wonderful piece written by Cat Stevens from 1971 off the Teaser in the Firecat LP, a song that deals with love, its pleasure and its pain. And it's called How Can I Tell You I Love You? How can I tell you that I love you? I love you, and I can't think of right words to say. I long to tell you that I'm always thinking of you. I'm always thinking of you, but my words just blow away. Words just blow away. It always ends up to one thing, honey, and I can't think of right words to say. Oh, 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 wherever I am, girl, I'm always walking with you. I'm always walking with you, but I look and you're not there. Whoever I'm with, I'm always talking to you. I'm always talking to you, and I'm sad you cannot hear. Sad you cannot hear. I need to know you, need to feel my arms around you, feel my arms surround you, like the sea around the shore. Each night and day I pray in hope that I might find you, in hope that I might find you, because hearts can do no more. Hearts can do no more. How can I tell you that I love you? I love you, but I can't think of right words to say. I long to tell you that I'm always thinking of you. I'm always thinking of you,